If Firefox is running slow on your PC, yeah, that can make browsing really frustrating, especially when pages take forever to load or tabs lag. Don't worry, we'll optimize it step by step. First, open Task Manager and check CPU, RAM, and disk usage. If your system is already overloaded, Firefox will definitely feel slow. Next, close heavy apps like Chrome, Discord, Steam, or download managers. These can quietly eat up your resources without you noticing. Now clear your Firefox cache. Yeah, too much cached data can slow down page loading and browsing performance over time. Next, disable extensions you don't need. Too many add-ons can seriously slow Firefox down, especially on low-end PCs. Now go to performance settings and turn off hardware acceleration. Sometimes GPU conflicts actually cause lag instead of improving speed. Make sure Firefox is set to use recommended performance settings. Yeah, this helps balance speed and stability automatically. If it's still slow, refresh your Firefox profile. I mean, this resets hidden configuration issues without deleting bookmarks. Next, make sure Firefox is fully updated. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Finally, restart your computer. Yeah, this clears memory and resets background processes for a fresh start. And that's it. One of these fixes should make Firefox run faster and smoother on your PC.